So guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a homemade jelly fruit. So the first thing you need is like a plastic.
He got it from me.
Yeah. And then the first thing you need is a plastic.
I'm making a lip scrub right now.
First thing you need is a plastic bag, small. And the second thing you need is any what do you call it? Any thing you want to put inside of it. So I got Diet Coke. I don't know why.
Please subscribe to his channel and my channel.
Yeah.
Go check out my channel if you guys want to learn how to make a scrub to like scrub off.
So the second thing is you put the what do you call it? The whatever you want in. Okay, I'm gonna do it above the sink. You put whatever thing you want. Do not put that much because it's gonna be going into the corner. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you put that in the fridge?
Yeah, sure. And if you guys have a small bag, put in like a small amount. If you guys have a big bag, put in like a medium.
Put
amount.
like this much.
Maybe like a little less.
Yeah, just
he likes to put in like a ton.
This is a small video though.
Oh, and here's a little tip I got. Here's a small like tip if you guys want it to be like a slushy.
Did you see
one? You guys want to seal it up really like
tight?
really tightly.
Look, it doesn't come out.
And then you guys want to put it in the
It's
freezer.
not coming out.
And you guys want to put it in the freezer for
Like 30 minutes.
like 30 minutes or an hour, and then when you take it out, you guys just want to like squish it a lot, and then it'll turn into a slushy one.
So when you seal it up tight, you have to put all of it in the corner. Then you grab the other corners.
And you
then you
just make
spin
sure that
it.
there's some space, and then you guys want to twist. And make sure like the soda, whatever you guys are using, doesn't come up here.
Mine
It's
does.
okay if it does a little.
She look like that.
Just tighten it up a little. You need to tighten it up a lot.
It's hard to get it first bite.
I need some
I
towel.
need to tighten it up. Oh, just the corners making the drip. Usually that is. Then you just bite.
Just bite. And you guys should bite it like really hard so it goes squeezing into your mouth.
It's not. It's hard to.
Yeah, it's either a hit or a miss.
Or both together.
Yeah.
It doesn't pop.
Oh, you're squeezing it everywhere. It's like a hit and a miss.
That's what he just got. So I'm gonna do it one more time.
So make sure every jelly fruit is made out of a different bag. Like, don't put it in like the same bag that you bite it out of, because obviously you're gonna have bite marks.
So I just get to get.
Oh, you spilled the soda everywhere.
I don't see a single. Oh yeah. Never mind. Oh, that hurts. My hand's so wet on it. Yeah, this is just paint. That's that's a big jelly fruit. I'll pour some of it out. Yeah, that's pretty much. So, yeah, you can do this anytime you want, but you need a bag. Okay, let me check if I sealed it. So you grab, if you don't know, you grab the left corner, then you put this top thing on it, then you just start spinning. Oh, that's good. This is a good jelly fruit because none of it's really coming out. That's how you make a homemade jelly fruit. Subscribe and leave a like.